but tó bá gbé bóyá nǹkan tí a lè trace ẹ̀ ká mọ̀ it have been better because ó ti tarnish mi ó ti tarnish bàbá ẹ̀ so ẹni tó bá jù yàn lọ ó lè sọ yàn nù ṣe understand mi bí ẹ bá rìn mọ́ olóríire èèyàn aṣoríire tí ẹ bá rìn mọ́ olórí burúkú aṣorí burúkú and I have said earlier Ron pé èmi gan oníṣègùn torí pé ẹgbẹ́ tó bá ń wo wèrè tó ń tún yan tó ń ṣe kí oníṣègùn ni Jésù ọ̀nà oníṣègùn ńlá wà níyìn Jésù ní abánitárò ẹ ti yẹ yín so torí ẹ àwọn kan tí mo lè sọ ń pa àwọn èmi ò dẹ̀ gbọ́rọ̀ pé bóyá báyọ̀ jà àbí báyọ̀ ṣe kíní kan náà.
wọ́n wá aṣọ fún lóríta mẹ́ta níjọ́ Lámísì.
mi ò rí ohun tí ojú mi ò bá rí ẹni tó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìbàjẹ́ tó bàjẹ́ yẹn ìbàjẹ́ tiẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nísìnyí. mo dẹ̀ lè sọ pé ẹni yẹn purọ́ mọ́ baálẹ̀ ní ẹlẹ́dàá tiẹ̀ èmi àti baálẹ̀ àfojúkojú láti mẹ́ta ti kúrò ní station ọ̀rọ̀ ẹran òṣèrán àfojúkojú tí baálẹ̀ fi kú. ó yẹ kó tètè tàmí oró fáwọn olùṣàgùtàn bẹ́ẹ̀ because of that ó fẹ́ káwọn olùṣàgùtàn wà ń bẹ̀ so ó wá pe gbogbo olùṣàgùtàn sí burial ground Papa Ọ̀ṣọ́fà ṣé ẹ gbọ́ mi burial ground Papa Ọ̀ṣọ́fà bàbá bá da gbé bíbélì kan sílẹ̀ ó gún bẹ́rì yẹn gangan ó gún ó gbé bíbélì kan sílẹ̀ oníkan gbé kan fóun wọ́n á gbé sórí bí èmi Alexander Abiodun Bada ọmọ lágbájá tí mo bá ṣe awo lẹ́yìn Kristi tí Papa Ọ̀ṣọ́fà fi mọ̀ Papa Ọ̀ṣọ́fà sùn sínú Kristi ó dúró lé Kristi èmi náà dẹ̀ dúró lórí Ọ̀ṣọ́fà tó dúró lé Kristi bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mo bá ṣàwó báyìí ni kò rí fún mi báyìí ni kò rí fún mi oníkẹ́yìn òun kó má da kí ojú ayé òun kó má da bó dẹ̀ ṣe ń bọ́lẹ̀ báyìí ó nà sí bàbá Jánlékòkò he did the same thing bàbá Jánlékòkò síbẹ̀ nígbà tó máa dé level kan àwọn èèyàn ti ń fọ́nká wọn lè gbà mọ́ wọn lè gbà báyìí láti búra mọ́.
And what that woman was trying to tell us, the DPO was a Yoruba man.
But she says in Hausa that they brought an orange girl.
You know, they arranged it. They paid for this recording.
Oh, this damaging recording.
Yes, they paid for it.
She said she brought an Hausa girl.
So Eton has a problem. You see, all Nigerians that has no job abroad, this is the right time for them to come back home. Anybody whom the Lord has not disgraced, nobody can disgrace him. Only ìwà abanijẹ́ tí a kò bàjẹ́ ọjọ́ tó bá dẹ́kun àti bàyàn jẹ́ ló máa bà ẹ́ jẹ́ kan lè délẹ̀. And then when you look at all what is going on in the book of John 15 from verse 16, only don't panic, I'm the one that choose you. I called you, not anybody that called you. Only but if they didn't tarnish your name because of my name, you are not doing my job. And this Bernard Shaw looks as if he's mentally derailed. The reason why is that he advised me in one of his tapes that I should leave Celestial Church, that I should go and set up my own church because they will waste my time. Then why is he now turning around? So saying Marcus is a narcotic person. I slapped Babalawo about 3 times in my lifetime. One in Orile Gomu, one in Ore, one in my town. And it don't matter the first one. When you look at 1 Timothy 6, 1 Timothy 4, 1 Timothy 4 from 10. Only àwọn kan ti kú nígbà tí wọ́n wà láàyè. Torí wọ́n ti fi ara wọn fún ayé jíjẹ. Láti ìgbà tí sọ ẹ̀tàn ti lásìdẹ̀ lọ́nà Abẹ́òkúta. Nígbà tó ṣiṣẹ́ fọlọ́fọlọ́ nínú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀, orí ẹ̀ ti gbálẹ̀. Ó ní ìdí oògùn wèrè bí ká lo oògùn wèrè fún. Kì í ṣe àwọn wèrè tó ń gbá bọ́lé lọ́wọ́ káàkiri lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yẹn ni o. Irú àwọn wèrè àwọn ṣọpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ lè yàn wá insane. Kò ṣe é recommend torí ó máa asínwó yẹn á máa fò wá bí frequency ni. Alo ní antenna, alo ní.
No antenna.
No, a ní ó ti service ti jẹ́ ká sáré call. Bó ṣe rí bí ọpọlọ sọ ẹ̀tàn àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ ṣe rí nìyẹn. Wọ́n máa ń fail service.
Well, it's another very beautiful, lovely day on the Asabi Africa TV today in Lagos, Nigeria. It's been quite a long time, but this has to be an emergency broadcast because we have to come down to one of our respected father in the Lord, Prophet Dr. MKO Tibetan. Just recently in the UK and across America, one Mr. Bernard Shoeton organized a program, and he gave some very unfortunate allegation against Prophet Dr. MKO Tibetan, the Nostradamus, and another very respectable prophet in Lagos, Alakoko area, and our father in the Lord, Prophet Obasa Shogbeson, who is the parish head of El Shaddai Parish, very near to Elisha Parish, that is being owned by our father. And we came in, we related to our father today, and we were shocked that he said he's his friend and all that, because a lot of things happened. We got the information from the UK, somebody sent it to us, and we want to pay it to our father today. I would like to carry the broadcast both in English and Yoruba. Láìpẹ́ jìnnà ni àwọn èèyàn kan, àwọn olùṣọ́àgùtàn kan tó pera wọn ní Bernard Shogbeson tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ wíyẹ́wíyẹ́, àwọn àtìyàwó wọn náà ló máa ń ṣe program ní Amẹ́ríkà lórí Facebook. Wọ́n fi allegation, wọ́n fi àbùkù kan bàbá wa nínú Olúwa ẹni ọ̀wọ̀ tí a fi tọ̀wọ̀tọ̀wọ̀ dárúkọ wọn, Prophet Dr. MKO Tibetan. Wọ́n ní pé olùṣọ́àgùtàn bàbá kan náà tó yẹ pé a fi tọ̀wọ̀tọ̀wọ̀ dárúkọ náà, bàbá Prophet Obasa Shogbeson ti ìjọ El Shaddai Parish, Celestial Church of Christ El Shaddai Parish ní Alákùkọ mi báyìí kò jìnnà náà, abúlé ìrókò náà ni gbogbo wọn jọ wà, àti bàbá wa nínú Olúwa, bàbá Tibetan. Wọ́n ní pé màálù sọnù ńgbà kan, pé bàbá wa Shogbeson àwọn lọ rí wọn, wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa màálù, pé wọ́n fọlọ́pàá gbé wọn ra màálù. Ìgbà tó wọ́n fẹjọ́ sùn baálẹ̀, pé baálẹ̀ wa sọ pé aláwo ni bàbá wa nínú Olúwa, Prophet MKO Tibetan. Ìgbà wọn wá ní kí bàbá Shogbeson náà kàn wá dúró sórí ìta mẹ́ta ní ìjọ Àlàmísì kan. Ibi tó ti dúró sórí ìjọ mẹ́ta náà lọ ti wá rí bàbá wa nínú Olúwa, Prophet Dr. Tibetan, tó ń gbé aṣọ funfun rìn kiri, tó wá ṣe ẹbọ níbẹ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan báyìí ló jẹ́ kàyéfì fún wa, ṣùgbọ́n nígbà táwa tán pínpín ọ̀rọ̀ náà lásán bàbá wa ní àárọ̀ yìí tó jẹ́ Monday September 28, ẹ rí i pé oṣù ńlá ni, oṣù agbára, oṣù September, oṣù tí ìjọ lúlì Celestial tó wáyé. Lọ́wọ́ sọ pé ẹni tẹ́ ń sọ yìí, ìgbà tó ń gbọ́ tán lọ́wọ́ pè wá pé ẹni tẹ́ ń sọ yìí èèyàn mi ni, òru gan láti send ẹ̀ sí wọn lọ́ní kò pẹ́ táwọn dé láti church onítọ̀hún, pé bí landlord lọ́n jẹ́ sáwọn làwa ní ká tọ̀ pínpín ká wá. Bọ́dẹ̀ ṣe wá sọ́fíìsì wọn délé ní àdúró, kò pẹ́ tí bàbá yìí Prophet Shogbeson náà tán dé láti dúpẹ́ pé wọ́n wá sí ìkórè wọn. Làwa ní ká kó fi omi toró jọrọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ a máa fẹ́ ká play kíní yẹn kí bàbá gbọ́ díẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀. Bàbá nínú Olúwa, a fẹ́ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gbọ́.
Ṣiṣẹ́ jù tí ò bá yọ ni, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, tí ò bá yọ ni, tí ò bá faniyọ, Olúwa rẹ̀ á kú síbẹ̀. Àwọn aláriwo kọ́ ni ó ní àwọn aláriwo kọ́ ló yọ ọ́, aláriwo ti pariwo, ìlú ti mọ̀ pé èèyàn ti dá sí kòtò, ta ni yóò wá lọ yọ? So that is it. This your program is like ẹni tó yọ ní nínú kòtò àti tó gbani lọ́wọ́ ayé. Ṣé wọ́n náà kì í gbàyàn lọ́wọ́ ayé àtẹ̀yìn bá tàn mọ́lẹ̀? Tẹ̀yìn tàn mọ́lẹ̀. Tẹni tó wà nínú kòkòrò mọ́lẹ̀ tó tọ́ tó jáde. Ọpẹ́ mà ní f'Olúwa.
Jésù ló ní ọpẹ́ mà. Jésù.
I will remain grateful to your ministry, my
To
Lord
God,
Jesus Christ, Holy
to
Spirit, and God.
To God alone, ma.
To the living
Yes.
Jesus.
We are just instruments.
Ẹ ṣe instrument yẹn ó lù dáadáa, ẹlòmíì wà dókítà la pè é kò lo iṣẹ́ dáadáa ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ tàjẹ́ dókítà míì dẹ̀ wà ó fi ṣiṣẹ́ rí so ó yẹ ká máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ni pé yes that instrument yes ẹ lù dáadáa ẹ ṣe gan.
You are welcome.
Yes. Yes, sir. Wọ́n ní kí n ṣíà díẹ̀ nínú ìyà téèyàn jẹ nínú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ nínú lọ́wọ́ àwọn jíò àwọn olómi orí òkè gbogbo àwọn babaláwo tó pera wọn ní jíò tá a ti rí àwọn tó ń báyàn sùn wọ́n ní kíyàwó wọn lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù ìyàwó wọn á lọ shopping á ló lọ ra spiritual material àwọn máa bọ́ ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ sùn á máa bọ́ ọmọ ọjọ́ sùn kíyàwó tó dé wọ́n á ti ṣe tán ní ṣe tán wọ́n á dìde irú ẹ̀. So, mo fẹ́ ṣí ẹ díẹ̀ mi sínú ẹni tó ń lọ káàkiri o.
I hope you are hearing us. Please indicate if the voice of Mama is clear to you. Please indicate. Ṣé à ń gbọ́ wọn? Ṣé à ń gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ? Please. Oh yeah, ma.
I have no problem taking me up and down. God tried because my parents were faithful the little way, the little one they can do in Anglican church. My parents were faithful. But greed, ojú kòkòrò, ló ń gbé wá kiri èmi o, ìsọtẹlómi, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́. Take me to this church, we have program. Take me to that church, we have program. That was how I did neck into all these nonsense organizations.
Nonsense organizations.
Organizations.
Business
Mi ìpè wọn ní church mọ́. Ojú mi ti lọ. Mi ìpè wọn ní church mọ́. I want to start with Tibetan.
Tibetan.
Yes, I want to start with Tibetan.
Okay.
Because that man is a deceit. And I am not surprised. His master is a deceiver.
Yes.
Which is Satan.
Lucifer himself.
Yes, Tibetan. I don't know why this board of celestial, whether chairman or what.
It's a turn on their flesh, man. It's a turn on their flesh.
Okay.
It's a turn on their flesh.
Yes. This man's church, for you people's information, those people abroad that look at Tibetan as God, you better repent. You will waste your flight money. If you don't know what to do with that money anymore, go and donate it to charity organizations and the Lord will bless you.
Amen.
You will come down to Nigeria that you are coming to see a prophet. Anyway, they have their gods. We have different gods.
Yes, they're different gods.
The capital G is not what Tibetan is. I don't judge him, but from what I've seen,
You are correct,
my
man.
experience there, he
You are
is
correct.
not serving the capital G. The church is at Sauriat. When you enter Moto from Oshodi, you are going to Ota in Sango. You come down at Ajegule bus stop.
Okay.
Enter Napep. If you are driving, you navigate. The map will be showing you where you are going. When you get to Sauriat bus stop, the last bus stop where the Napep makes turn, you branch. This Tibet, from that area, they call it Abule Roko.
Okay.
Tibetan is Alawo.
Alawo. Confirm.
Alawo. Tibetan is Alawo.
Alawo.
By 1 a.m., Tibetan is there with white bedsheet wrapped by his waist. He doesn't wear shirt, doesn't wear singlet. I am saying not hearsay. People that know me know that before I say something, I keep secret, but before I say it, because of this your program and the Doubting Thomases, coming back late, I want to tell people who will sit by their laptops, their phones, and listen carefully. The people that goes there, listen carefully about this, and they know they can confirm. This Tibetan of a man, There was a time he called people thief. He called people this. I want to start from the encounter, the problem he had with Elijah Parish.
Elijah Parish.
His own, yes, El Shaddai Parish,
Okay.
number 15, Abiola Generation Crescent,
Okay.
Abiola Street, Abule Roko. They are not far.
Mm.
This El Shaddai, this man, Sunday Obasa,
Okay.
is a well-known name in CCC.
CCC. Okay.
Yes, this man came from Ibadan.
Okay.
When he opened church there, he was there before Tibetan.
Okay.
He said people are thieves, this one and that one. He is number one.
Mm.
He is number one. The cow, one cow people donated, he will tell people for your problem to solve, put down cow. He is listening. He has his people that goes on YouTube to watch all these things.
Mm.
Those cows, they donated that cow then. He couldn't use those cows for the harvest.
Harvest. Mm.
He Igore.
Mm.
He invited one Malam, cattle rearer.
Okay.
He went to Abatua, Agege, to invite the man. The man came and he said, the man, he should go and untie those cows, take them, let them feed round. From there he should go.
Mm.
He knows he's listening. The man did that. The man told him, Selo and bring money. Sunday, he said, Sunday Obasa of El Shaddai Parish.
Màálù tó gbà tó fẹ́ fi ṣèkórè.
Tó Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Iṣẹ́ yọkan.
Sunday Obasa bought from this cow, one of the cows, and paid this Malam.
Mm.
He paid the Malam. The Malam took the money. We got to know all these secrets when they got to Alakuko police station.
Police station, yeah.
Yes, because this case got to police station. Tibetan went back and reported Obasa that Obasa stole his cow.
After he had collected the money from the Malam.
Yes. The Obasa now went to Abatua to inform the Seriki there. You know, they have head.
Okay.
Baba Oloja.
Yes.
They began to find out. They began to search. Fortunately, they got this guy. They went to police station. And the DPO was Hausaman. He said he was not going to say anything and invited, after suffering Obasa, he invited Orange Seller to come and interpret.
Yeah.
The Orange Seller heard from the Malam. The Malam said so they invited this guy. He doesn't understand Yoruba, he doesn't understand English. The Orange Seller interpreted and said, this man, this fat man, that he collected money from this man and paid this man, that he is not owing him, that is him.
Every year money, every year ní Tibetan máa ń kọ prophecy, ìwé prophecy ló ń ṣe ló ń tà fún Nàìjíríà. Every year.
Ìrọ̀ ni information tó ń gádà lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn.
Lọ́dọ̀ àwọn babaláwo.
Ìjà yẹn ò tí ì parí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìjà yẹn ò tí ì parí. Then Obasa reported the case to the Baale of Abule Roko at the Saint Tibetan. Kì í ṣe ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì aláwo ni.
The Baale said that.
Aláwo ni.
The Baale.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Okay.
The Baale said Tibetan. The Baale then said Tibetan. Ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì. Àwọn kan máa ń wò ó ní. Gbogbo ń ṣe tàwọn. Obasa said ó ti dà bẹ́ẹ̀. Obasa said no, he can't be. They now told Obasa to hold on. tó bá ti di ọjọ́ àlàmísì
Okay.
kó máa bọ̀ ilé
Okay.
ẹ̀kọ́ tó máa gbé.
Okay. Ẹbọ.
Orí tàbí tí mo sọ yẹn gan, yes, that 3 junction road that led to the street of his church,
Okay.
that is where they saw him.
Okay.
Obasa saw him.
Okay.
Obasa saw him.
So about Tibetan.
Obasa saw Tibetan in white bed sheets wrapped all over. I thought it was a joke. I went to Obasa myself. And
Awo lórí awo.
Not that.
Aworawo ni.
If not that phone, yes, they stole that phone from me, I would have just forwarded the voicemail to you.
Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ kó gbọ́ mà.
Everything, that phone was.
Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ kó gbọ́.
That is that area. That is that area. A máa bú àwọn èèyàn pé olè ní olè ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run.
Kò sẹ́ni tí kì í bú.
Ẹni tó ń ṣerú yẹn kí ni ká pè?
Kò sẹ́ni tí kì í bú. Òun ló set up Genesis. Ọládélé, mo dẹ̀ máa ń sọ mà, mo ní Tibetan burú ju Ọládélé lọ.
Tibetan burú, Ọládélé náà burú.
Ọmọdé lọ́ládélé. Ọmọdé lọ́ládélé. Ọládélé ò lè pákéjì ara ẹ̀ dáadáa ni.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ọmọdé ni.
Tibetan, a máa ní obìnrin ò lè ṣe gbá, obìnrin ò lè ṣàwò. Ibi tí mò ń bọ̀rọ̀ lọ́gọ́, I watched something lórí YouTube. Tó ń kú obìnrin, one lady was interviewing him or so, one lady mọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ wá sí YouTube. Kìíní kan something.
Bọ́lá Auto Bọ́lá.
I can't remember.
Auto Bọ́lá ò mọ̀ dáadáa. Kò mọ̀ dáadáa.
So ìyẹn wá against wọn sọ̀rọ̀ lórí obìnrin Tibetan.
So we should speak English.
Àwọn èèyàn tó dupe, he duped a lot of people.
Thank you,
Before
ma'am.
he could send, he duped people over visa.
Okay.
He duped people over. My own friend fell victim of that incident.
Dubious life, dubious character.
Obìnrin yẹn ló ń sanwó àwọn. Ìgbà tó fẹ́ gbé lọ sọ́lọ́pàá ó ní àbáwo ni kán ṣe gbé olùṣọ́ òun. Obìnrin yẹn ló ń sanwó kíní yẹn padà owó visa tó gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn padà.
Some people here, some people could not understand Yoruba here. Just go ahead.
See, the visa issue. Oladele, this guy, Tibetan, is very dubious. And he will be telling people, as we are talking, his men are set, his boys, those nonsense writers, they are set. They will be writing, responding. You will think it's an answer. It's a lie.
Yes.
Tibetan, put that woman into problem. She has to refund that money because the marriage was at stake. The husband said, either Tibetan or you leave the home. So she had to pay all those money Tibetan collected. Tibetan will be insulting women while he will not allow his own wife to come out. While he will say he is doing incision to ladies.
Incision.
You are a thorough man. Why should you be doing incision in your office and stripping the ladies naked? Yes. Yeah. In his office, he does incision. That incision, he will strike them naked. The young ladies, he wants to see their breasts.
No, that's not the incision.
Yes. Yemisi.
Keep on going, man.
Testify to this. She's alive today.
Okay.
She said, over her dead body will she attend Celestial Church again.
Yeah, it's not only Celestial Church. They do the same thing in MFM.
Okay. Yemisi was about going to report the case because the decision was fresh on her hand. Yemisi said something was, crawling all over her body, her skin, inside her skin, that she couldn't understand any longer. I thought it was a joke. Until Yinka from Lutz, she is a medical personnel. They are hearing me because I told them to be on. They will hear, they will listen. I said they should never mind if I mention name. I said, please forgive me. She's alive today.
It's for their own good, ma. Anyone that covereth his sin or sin shall not prosper.
Yes.
It's for their own freedom.
That is that. And when his wife comes on holiday,
from Dublin.
this man, yes, from Dublin, this man will not allow the woman to go anyhow to come, so that she will not interact with other females so that they will not tell her the evil
what has been going on in her absence.
Yes. So wasn't the whole matter somebody that said he is Olusho? This man will never give you rice when the rice is good. It's rotten rice. One happened before me. I was climbing up to see him, and I saw this, this insect that comes out from rice and beans.
Yes.
I was saying, please go and trash this. He said, I want to put it the way he put it. He said, can I find no trash?
So wicked, man.
I said, okay. Yes, I kept quiet. Among the people that cooked the rice and beans did not eat from it. Why? Because they came to tell me, said, Mommy, don't try it though. Say what? He said, the dog that died since last night is what he said they should use. Duck.
Pepeye, yes.
Pepeye. And Agutoku. He can never slaughter a live ram for people to eat.
Until they are dead.
Until they are dead.
Oh my God.
To eat. I said, hey. I saw this. I thought she was lying. I went downstairs and I saw that same dog. They're pulling off the feather, boiling. I called one of them. There is one woman, is Oloshade, Iyabeji. That's her name, Iyabeji. That Iyabeji is the one that pounds all this rubbish. Alabahu, Orioka, the python's head or so. All those things tried. She's the one that does that on him. And where I'm going, he should just stop opening his mouth to insult women. Because
not only women, ma. Not only women. He's been insulting Pentecostal pastors. As if he's better than them.
No. He's not better than them. He's not better than them. He's not better than them. Those Pentecostal pastors are better than him. His own. He's portraying a different thing.
Different thing.
Yes. So those ones don't do their own physical to Kuroko.
That is true. You are correct, man. Not that they are not doing.
They
keep their own secrets.
Yes. If you know who has been there very well, or a member that has been worshiping there, Ololade is the powerhouse. The father's account book is the powerhouse of Sibeton. Because his father, Babalawo, the native doctor, is it not what we call Babalawo?
Yes.
The witchcraft doctor, is it not what we call Babalawo?
Yes.
The father account book.
Okay. The account book of the father.
Yes.
Okay.
The account I mentioned Ololade, he is still there today.
Okay.
Yes. That's the book they used to finish. He will say he's seeing vision, he's prophesying.
Okay.
It's a lie. If you want to see vision today, just pay him a token of 60,000. They know how they do it. Yes, he cannot deny it. Anyway, he might deny because their father is a liar.
That's true.
Yes, their father is a liar.
You are correct. Ma.
Yes. Yes.
And they can be better.
Then, yes, they can be better. As we are talking, he's a media man that communicates types and this thing. Adua is his name. That one interprets for him. They are Ogbologbo there. These two people, they are the two Ogbologbo there. They are the number one wizard you have in that place. And that so-called, you are criticizing people under you. You are sleeping with women, and people under you are these very young girls.
Tibetan.
Fingering them. And that's Adua. His name is Adua. His wife is there, residing in that same compound. He's busy fingering minors. I said, God should get up. And God has been keeping quiet. God is sleeping. He should get up.
God has risen. Ma, God has risen, ma. That is why people are speaking out. Yes.
Yes.
I've been saying it for a long time. Tibetan is a confirmed herbalist.
He is confirmed. I'm telling you this. He's confirmed herbalist. If he lies, people that will come out to. I'm telling you what I saw. I'm not saying say I have worshipped there. Your ministry opened my eyes. He never liked to see me one-on-one because we don't agree. I will challenge him.
Yes.
We don't agree. I will challenge him. He said, come. There was a day I told him, I said, come, I'm not an illiterate. My parents suffered to train me.
Yeah.
Those days where they don't train women. I said, my father suffered to train me.
Train you, yes.
I said, go and ask. I said, go to Ibadan and ask of who is Ayola. They will tell you. He suffered. He's an engineer. He suffered to train me. So why should I be afraid of you? Why should I be afraid of you? I said, I cannot be. I cannot be. What are you preaching? What are you preaching? So he is confirmed Babalawo.
Yes,
and that Baale that day mentioned it that
and he's been killing people. Killing people. He's a killer.
He will tell, even in the church, he will say, when he said he's preaching, I'm not doing any, why don't care? Then, moving like myself, then we'll be clapping. We will be clapping, hailing him, not knowing that, well, if I did not hear from the Baale, I will not confirm, I will not call you. And I will not speak out.
Recently, Tibetan said, when you enter into the Celestial Church, he said there's a T-junction inside the church. He said, when we get to the T-junction, I was amazed. I said, inside the church. So that is what he's practicing.
That is what he's practicing.
Yes. T-junction in the church. He said the two doors and the entrance one makes it T-junction. Whatever they did at the Mercy Land that has not been answered, once they get to the T-junction,
they'll go and put the lights.
They'll put the candle.
He doesn't have regard for Mercy Land. I wish you have somebody who will go to his Mercy Land, snap it and send to you. And that's why I said I don't know what the board of Celestials are doing. When you get to the Mercy Land, that his Mercy Land is goat and dog, Yabeji dog, that lie there.
Okay. Inside the Mercy Land.
Mercy Land. He doesn't have regard for Mercy Land. And he will say, let me put it the way he's in Mercy will. He said, Mercy Land. That's how he addresses them.
What about the animals he keep at the kitchen?
The tortoise
and the rest of
That's what I was telling you to Ota. I said it last time that the woman that brings, the woman is a contractor. She must sell. Before me, before me. If that guy denies, I so much believe in one thing that the elderly Yoruba land used to say, onibode, waberu elonibode, and you will be watching yourself on screen.
Yeah.
As we are talking today, the last day it will appear.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes, that is why I'm not afraid of him. Let him go and do. You used to say, and for your information, nobody should underrate that guy. Better incision under his tongue. Before me, he has brought out to Olugbohun. When I said somebody was owing me, this is me. He will remember. He will know who is speaking now.
Okay.
If he's watching. When I said somebody was owing me. He said, what can I do for you? I said, you have nothing to do for me. I work. Look, I trade, but somebody is owing me, and the person does not want to pay. Each time he will be giving me excuses, and I don't know what to do. I need that money to invest in something. He went and brought out Olugbo. He said, Adua, Baba Sueswe. There's one elderly man there, Baba Bademu. This incident led to one elder. You must know that man as you belong in Celestia. You must know this man I want to mention now. That man, very fine man. That man is a fine man. Baba Adeniran.
Ignorant man.
You must know that man.
Ignorant.
That man left. Yes, that man left Tibetan's church because of these kids. I said, Baba, Olugbohun. How can Olugbohun be used in church? I saw
Tibetan using Olugbohun in the church.
That's my first time of seeing it. That's my first time of seeing that. Was wrapped in red clothes, red pieces of clothes, and the pin was on top of that thing. You are to lick it, your tongue will touch it, then you will use it to curse the person, say whatever you want to say. He said, after this, when I do it, I should go straight. The man will pay me my money.
Your money.
The man and my wife will pay me without looking back. I said, no, I can't do it. I've not done this. Because of money, if they don't want to pay me, I leave it. When they have to repay me, they will look for me. I said, I can't do this. I went downstairs to tell Baba Adeniran.
Okay.
Baba Adeniran said, Baba Elobi.
It will have repercussions.
They're still there.
Yes, that's what the Baba, because I don't know. I don't know. I don't go to all this rubbish. I said, where do I go now? Thinking that one is entering Genesis was just the worst.
Okay.
I said, and in that Tibet, they smoke Igbo in that church.
Igbo?
They smoke marijuana.
If you look at his face, you will know it's not an ordinary person. It's, to me, anytime I look at the head of Tibetan, the head look like a python head. I'm telling you, man.
I'm not here to run anybody down, but it's what I saw. It's time to say it, as you wisely said. If we don't say it, how will others come out?
How will they come out?
We attend churches. It's time we say it. You see Tibetan, you see Genesis, you see this guy Olukoya. You see Baba Adeboye own is even different. Say his own is water. He went to Rio. I don't know if he has stopped now.
Baba Adeboye.
I don't know. Baba, if I start talking, that's why I disconnected myself from all
of them.
I called them on phone. Yes, I called those friends on phone. I said, look, I went to their houses. I live on Victoria Island. I said, look, my friend, there's nothing I'm looking. God has so much done the best for me.
For you, yes.
The best, the best is to open my eyes.
Yes.
I said, so, there's nothing again. At my age, I said, who is Tibetan? Tibetan is a junior to me.
Okay.
How many will I mention?
That's true.
I called Princess. I said, Princess, you are a princess, I know. She's related to the Obas, the Afin of Lagos. I said, look, it's high time. Stop this stupidity. We are age mates because we attended UI together. I said we are age mates. Stop this nonsense you are doing. It was then she opened up to me and said she saw hell there. She has sleepless nights that she has left. I said, leave, don't go back. The next thing you should do is burn your sutana. So long as that sutana is there, they will be coming for you.
That's true.
So what is it? When they were mentioning all these geos, I know because I have
Can you talk more?
My school university mates.
Ma, can you explain better?
These churches.
Hello, ma.
About Baba Deboye going to Orioke. Which Orioke, ma?
Well, it's long debate now. It's quite some time now. That is Erimo.
Erimo,
Yes.
okay. To come and collect water.
Yes, Baba Shola, Baba Jesha.
nínú ọ̀rọ̀ náà. mo mọ̀ pé ẹ ti gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú pé ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ orúkọ yín àti pé báwo lẹ ṣe jẹ́ sí bàbá wa Prophet Dr. MKO Tibetan nítorí pé ó yà wá lẹ́nu nígbà tí ẹ dé bí ẹni ẹ wá dúpẹ́ fún ìkórè àtúndẹ̀ tún ṣe yín lálejò tẹ́lẹ̀ mú tí gbogbo náà dẹ̀ tún mojú ìsìn bí àwọn gbàgbọ́ pé torí obìnrin lòun wá bá yín wípé ẹ̀yin lẹ̀dẹ̀ tún fi ọwọ́ sọ̀yà pé baálẹ̀ sọ wípé aláwo ni àwa ni ǹjẹ́ kì í ṣe pé ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹ wọ̀tọ̀ ẹjọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ yín káde sọ mọ̀ fún wa nípa bàbá wa Tibetan.
ẹ ṣe inú mi dùn púpọ̀ fún ọ̀rọ̀ tó wáyé lénìí nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ti ẹran bí a ṣe kúrò ní station èmi àti baálẹ̀ ò fojú kanjú báyìí tí baálẹ̀ fi kú èmi àti baálẹ̀ abúlé ìrókò àfojú kojú báyìí.
tí obìnrin yìí sọ wípé ẹ̀yin lẹ mú òun lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ òun wá bá yín pẹ́ sọ pé rí baálẹ̀.
mi ò fojú kan baálẹ̀ tí baálẹ̀ fi kú that is one. Two, secondly ni wípé ó dùn mí irú ẹni yẹn tí ò dárúkọ ara ẹ̀.
wọ́n tẹ̀ ní pé fóònù tí ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn sí pé ó lè jí lọ máwọn ò bá fọ́ọ̀dẹ̀ sí Ṣóẹ̀tàn yìí bẹ́ẹ̀na Ṣóẹ̀tàn.
So ó dùn mí bó ṣe lọ sọ pé fóònù sọnù.
torí ẹni tó bá ní ẹlẹ́rìí òun wà ní Sókótó yẹ kó lè lọ sí Sókótó.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni nǹkan tí yóò bá ti ní ẹ̀rí tèmi nìyí.
bíbélì mímọ́.
bíbélì tí mò ń gbé tí mi dẹ̀ ní kọsẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀ so mi yẹn mọ anything nípa kínní kò sí ẹni tí wọn lè bàjẹ́ ṣé ti yé yín so ìyẹn ni ṣé màá bà bàbá yìí jẹ́ màá tún wá ẹni tó wá sí ìkórè mi lánàá lánàá yìí.
lánàá that is September 27.
tún dùn inú mi tún dùn pé before kí wọ́n tó wá ìjẹta náà ti fún invitation ránṣẹ́.
invitation ìkórè tiwọn.
invitation ìkórè àti birthday.
wọ́n máa fi ránṣẹ́ lọ́dọọdún.
tí mi lè mọ̀ pé wọ́n máa wá lánàá before that àwọn òwe tán máa ń ṣe wọ́n máa ń send ẹ̀ sí mi.
ìwé predictions every year annual predictions.
Yes.
báwo lè ọ̀rọ̀ ẹran yẹn ṣe jẹ́ sàrílẹ̀ ẹjọ́ ẹ bá là lóye ṣé lóòótọ́ ni ẹ̀ra ẹran tí wọ́n jí dẹ̀ wọ́n àfọlọ́pàá mú ìwé mọ́là yẹn ta ẹran fún yín ó wá gbówó yẹn wá fún wọn pé ẹ wá àtàwọn ìfọlọ́pàá mú ẹ̀yìn àti málà wá sọ pé àwọn lọ ní kó wọn ata ẹran kó wọn tún gbowó lọ́wọ́ yín báwo lọ rẹ jẹ because gbogbo tó ọrùbìnrin yìí sọ fún Benasue ẹ̀tàn lélẹ̀ sá.
àwa mọ́là yẹn ó máa ń da màálù káàkiri ó da màálù déwájú ọ̀dọ̀ wa níwájú church so mo wá pé ìkan lára ọmọ ìjọ mi pé ẹ jẹ́ ká bá bàbá onímàálù yìí sọ̀rọ̀ tí ọ̀dọ̀ ò bá jìn ká ra màálù lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ adẹ̀bá sọ̀rọ̀ èló lélẹ́yìí ó dẹ̀ sọ yẹ ok tó o wá bá ti rẹ́dì ibo la máa wá ẹ sí ó lóun wà lákíndé mo dẹ̀ débẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ rí pé kọ́ cow seller signboard wà ń bẹ̀ fún ẹ adẹ̀ra ẹran so àgbéwá sí church after 3 months tá a ti ṣèkórè mo wá rí pọ́nkàn bí mọ́tò kan dé bàbá onímàálù yẹn wà nínú bẹ̀ wọ́n ti ṣa àwọn èèyàn lóríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣi so inspector Isaiah wọ́n bá ní kí n wọlé mi náà fọwọ́ mo ní kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bàbá onímàálù ìgbà tí mo rí mi bàbá onímàálù kí ló dé ẹ ní ẹran náà tí ara tí ẹ ṣe mo fẹ́ fọ létí inspector yẹn ní as a man of God pé bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n retí mi ní alákùkọ mo ní mi lè wọnú mọ́tò yìí but I meet you people.
gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni ọ̀wọ̀ ẹni tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀.
mo ní between kótó tó wà náà wà mo ní màá débẹ̀ so mo dẹ̀ gbéra mo dẹ̀ lọ síbẹ̀ láti mo lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn dẹ̀ inspector àṣàyè bẹ̀ sí question mi pé receipt tí mo fi ra ẹran dà mo ní ṣé a máa sọ fún àwọn Fúlàní pé receipt tó fi kẹ́ran bọ̀ láti ìlú Haúsá dà mo ní àgbà receipt o ọkàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó sábẹ̀ sí implicate ó bẹ̀ sí oríṣiríṣi mo bá ní òun á pẹ́ ni tó lẹ́ran pàtó máa pé alàgbà wa ó jẹ́ ni tí wọ́n mọ̀ ibẹ̀ náà ládẹ̀ tó ń sọ pé mi ì ṣe kéèsì èmi tẹ̀ fún sọ fún kó tó di pé pé wọ́n mo ní I will call my lawyer then we meet in court because mi ì mọ̀ pé bóyá nǹkan ló ní ẹran mo débẹ̀ mo rí cow seller mo rí signboard ẹ̀ ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
láì mọ̀ bó jí ẹran ẹ lọ́dọ̀ prophet tibet.
láì mọ̀ pé ẹni èèyàn mi gan ló ṣe gan níjọ́ yẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ settle everything pé èèyàn mọ̀ pé kí ni.
ọba tibet tó ń tẹ̀ kò ní kàn tì í mọ́lé kò ní kàn ṣẹjọ́.
nǹkan tó sọ nìyẹn àwọn fẹ́ kéèsì àwọn ọ̀sẹ̀ ní ìsìtò àdẹ̀fi lọ that very day they released me I went home so before that ìjọ tó ń fi ìjọ yìí lélẹ̀ níbí báyìí I was here.
Oh, you are here 25 years ago.
Yes.
I mean, believe so.
I was here. nígbà tí èèyàn kan mú mi wọ́n ti mọ́ níbi tí a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ rèé ibi kékeré bẹ̀yẹn mo níbi tá a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ rèé nígbà tí mo dẹ̀ wọ compound mi ní Olúwa báwa parí bí báyìí.
àtidúrà tó ń ṣe.
so torí ẹ̀ mo mọ ohun tí mo tiẹ̀ wá tún lè sọ pé kóbìnrin kan wá sọ wípé mo sọ pé.
tó ló sọ ó lóun wá bá yín ni pọ́ùn dídì wá bá yín pé ìgbà tí wàá rí baálẹ̀ pé baálẹ̀ lọ sọ pé àwo ní tibẹ̀ tó bí ògbóni ni wọ́n pé nǹkan junction tó ti máa ń ṣe bọ́ lálẹ́ ní Àlàmísì pé kẹ wá pé òru yẹn náà wá dúró ẹ wá lùgọ́ ẹ wá rí tibẹ̀ tán prophet tibẹ̀ tán ẹ wá rí prophet tibẹ̀ tán.
ẹni yẹn ló fẹ́ bà wọ́n jẹ́.
ẹni ló fẹ́ bà wọ́n.
then kò wá yẹ kó wá implicate mi because èmi àbí rìn òru débi pé máa sọ pé mo rí èèyàn kan ní oríta.
tó wọṣọ funfun.
tó wọṣọ funfun gangan.
tó tún gbẹ bọ́ọ̀lù. ǹjẹ́ tẹ̀ rí obìnrin ọ̀hún gan rí.
mi ì mọ ní tá à ń sọ yìí mi ì mọ I don't know the person.
torí Benasue ẹ̀tọ́ yẹn kàn ń sọ oríṣiríṣi lórí fóònù.
bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá gbé bóyá nǹkan tí a lè trace ẹ̀ ká mọ̀ it have been better because ó ti tarnish mi ó ti tarnish bàbá ẹ̀ so ẹni tó bá jù yàn lọ ó lè sọ yàn nù ṣe understand mi bí ẹ bá rìn mọ́ olóríire èèyàn aṣoríire tí ẹ bá rìn mọ́ olórí burúkú aṣorí burúkú and I have said earlier on pé èmi gan oníṣègùn torí pé ẹgbẹ́ tó bá ń wo wèrè tó ń tún yan tó ń ṣe kẹ́ oníṣègùn ni Jésù wọn ní oníṣègùn ńlá wà níyìn Jésù ní abánidárò so ẹni yẹn ti ní nǹkan kan tó fẹ́ fi bóyá èmi ló fẹ́ forí gbá ní àbúfẹ́fẹ́ tó ti ní lọ́kàn.
ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹni oríṣègùn wà ǹjẹ́ lè sọ oríṣi mẹ́ta tó wà ó dàbí ń sọ nípa oríṣègùn.
I have a spiritual shepherd, psychedelic shepherd and Pentecostal shepherd.
ẹ ṣe lè explain iṣẹ́ àwọn mẹ́ta.
Spiritual shepherd is just like wọ́n pè yàn ní wòlíì. Wòlíì must have solution to your problem. A prophet.
no ramification.
So tó bá gbàdúrà fún yàn tó bá ríran síyàn solution sí nǹkan yẹn o gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ and not all of us is prophet or prophetess àwọn aríran lásán wà àwọn afẹ́dẹ́fọ̀ gbogbo wa nísẹ̀lẹ̀ a sọ pé wòlíì àwọn kí anesos wọ́n differentiate alóore kálù ẹ kó jíṣẹ́ kó dẹ̀ bá tiẹ̀ lọ solution síṣẹ́ yẹn kò lè ṣe é àfún So the same thing with shepherd. Either you are a prophet or leader or whatever rank. Tó bá ti lè lead ìjọ, o gbọ́dọ̀ ọ̀run tó pè gbọ́dọ̀ ní solution sí àwọn problem tó bá ń gbé wá síbẹ̀. Ṣé ti yé? So nípa ti spiritual shepherd ni psychedelic shepherd, most of them you just see them, they put on for a plain four corner, they not use gadu. Ṣé ti yé yín? Then wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa ṣe bí wọ́n máa fi oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ tó dùn gbogbo ẹ̀.
àwọn tó máa ń fò lórí pẹpẹ káàkiri.
So ẹgbẹ́ sí àsórí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ san. Then Pentecostal shepherd, the person will quote from Genesis to Revelation. That kí ni mo fẹ́ pè nípa ẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ń quote yẹn, the analysis of that word kò mọ̀, quotations ló mọ̀. That is Zachariah àwọn Pentecostal shepherd nìyẹn ní sẹ̀lẹ̀ tó wà. So àwọn oríṣi olùṣọ́ mẹ́ta tó wà nìyẹn. So I'm very happy today pé bàbá yìí fẹ́ gbé mi jáde káyé máa rí mi ní Dublin kán máa rí mi ní kínní, and I will never leave him. Máa bú so ṣé ti yé yín máa bú so.
mo lè fẹ́ béèrè pé kí báwo lè define prophet MKO Tibetan since ẹ jẹ́ ẹni aládùúgbò nìyẹn ẹ tún jẹ́ wọ́n pè ní landlord àwọn, so báwo lè define wọn eré èèyàn wo gan ni wọ́n.
ṣe rí tẹ́lẹ̀ láti ìgbà tá a fi jọ yìí lélẹ̀ ṣàmùkẹ́ tí ò ń gbélé ẹ ti yé yín. Then mo sọ yìí pé nígbà kan wọ́n mú wèrè kan wá síbí, èèyàn mi kan mú ẹni yẹn wá láti Súlérè. Ẹ ti yé yín.
àti tọdún mélòó sá. àti tọdún mélòó sá.
láti
tọdún mélòó sílẹ̀ ti jẹ́.
ó ti lé ní 8 years. Ó mẹ́ni yẹn wá, so obìnrin lẹ́ni tó mẹ́ni yẹn wá, so nígbà tó wá dé bí ó wá ní nígbà pé olùṣọ́mu kan náà wà ní tàwa fìjọ wọn lélẹ̀ ní ọ̀dọ̀ mi. I started my church 1990. So pé ó wà ń bí báyìí pé jẹ́ n sáré yọjú sí wọn. Ẹni yẹn believe pé bóyá tí n bá wá síbí màá hijack. Mo ní ṣé bí ni ọ̀dọ̀ Elisha ló mo ní mo ní kò sí problem, but this my brother wasn't around by that time, but àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ wọ́n take care.
wọ́n take care onítàn dẹ́rí ìwòsàn.
ó dẹ̀rí ìwòsàn.
tí bàbá ò dẹ̀ sí nílé o tán wà láàbroad.
ẹ ti yẹ yín, so torí ẹ̀ àwọn kan tí mo lè sọ ń pa wọn èmi ò dẹ̀ gbọ́rọ̀ pé bóyá wọ́n bá yàn jà àbí wọ́n bá yàn ṣe kinní kan náà.
àbí wọ́n wọ aṣọ wọn fún lóríta mẹ́ta níjọ́ làmísì.
mi ò rí wọn tí ojú mi ò bá rí ẹni tó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìbàjẹ́ tó bàjẹ́ yẹn ìbàjẹ́ tiẹ̀ ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ nísìnyí. Mo dẹ̀ lè sọ pé ẹni yẹn purọ́ mọ́ baálẹ̀ ní ẹlẹ́dàá tiẹ̀, èmi àti baálẹ̀ àfojúkojú láti mẹ́ta ti kúrò station ọ̀rọ̀ ẹran òṣèrán àfojúkojú tí baálẹ̀ fi kú.
kí ló dé táwọn èèyàn máa ń báyàn jẹ́ báyìí.
mo ti sọ ẹni tó lógo bí ò bá ṣọ́ra tó bá bá ẹni tí ò lógo rìn ẹni yẹn á perish ògo ẹni tó lógo yẹn á perish ẹ̀ ṣé ti yé yín á perish ẹ̀. Nígbà tí ẹ sọ pé èèyàn sọ pé orí ń fọ́hùn ó lo Panadol ó lo Cafenol ó lo gbogbo ẹ̀ ó lo everything medical something ó lo orí fífọ́ ò lọ. Papa Ọ̀ṣọ́fà sọ wípé òrìṣàlẹ̀ ò gbọ́dọ̀ bọ, in which tó dẹ̀ sọ wípé gbogbo ìjọ pátápátá ti Kristi ni.
gbogbo ìjọ ti Kristi ni.
òun ò dẹ̀ wá láti tánìṣì ìjọ kan pé eléyìí ò da eléyìí ò da tàbí pé wòlíì yìí ò da eléyìí ló da. Bí Bíbélì bá lè sọ fún wa wípé a sì ṣe ewé àti egbò fún ìmúláradá àwa ènìyàn. Ẹ̀sà orí ń fọyín ọdọ mi orí túlù Panadol ò gbọ́ túlù àbí mo dẹ̀ ta ewé kan sí kejì mo dẹ̀ gbó mo dẹ̀ fi fọ orí ẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ lọ fọ sí tó fẹ́ fọ sí orí dẹ̀ lọ mo ti doníṣègùn mo ti dolóògùn bíi ti bàbá báyìí.
ẹ ti di physician.
Yes.
torí sọ ẹ̀tọ́ yẹn sọ pé ó Tibetan is a herbalist ẹ ṣàgbọ́ ogun ẹ̀ náà ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn so gẹ́gẹ́ ni.
ó tún pè mí náà káwọn èèyàn lè máa wá sọ́dọ̀ mi èmi náà jẹ́ herbalist.
because herbal.
kò sí táǹkì nínú iṣẹ́ wèrè wíwò gbogbo ìgbà tí mo fi ń wò kò sí táǹkì bàbá Sàká ó ń wo wèrè àwa ṣẹlẹ̀ àti oníṣègùn tàbí kí wọ́n ti ń pè à ń ṣọ̀rẹ́ ṣe understand mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni à ń ṣọ̀rẹ́ nítorí tó bá ti súnmọ́ wọn àwọn yẹn gangan náà ló máa sọ pé ṣe bọ́dọ̀ mi ló ti wá ń gbàgbára àbí bí ẹ ṣe wá bí ẹ ṣe ní kí n rí yín sìn tó bá jẹ́ pé babaláwo àbí kankan ní kẹ́ ẹ ná bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe náwó lánàá kó ná gbogbo láàṣì ẹ̀ tí n bá máa wá sọ́dọ̀ yín mítìn mo máa gbàdé bí mo ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí à ń ṣe mítìn àgbà United Clergies lọ́dọ̀ mi èmi ni mo host so if I don't respect and give this man honour I won't come. So fàjẹ́ oníṣègùn ló pè mí babaláwo ló pè mí màá mú èèyàn kan dání màá ní kó má fi mí rúbọ.
ẹ̀yin nìkan lè dá wá.
ẹnì kan mo dá wá.
torí pé trust.
mi ìdẹ̀ tí ìjókòó jọjú mo ní bó ìgbà tẹ ní kíní kan fún mi mo ní bó ṣe omi I'm okay. Omi ló yí jì láti poison jù fún abáwá pé bàbá yìí jẹ́ kíní so torí ẹ̀.
kẹsẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ kí lẹ fẹ́ sọ nípa Celestial 73 ká tó bá bàbá sọ̀rọ̀ kí lẹ́yìn fẹ́ sọ nípa Celestial 73 báwo lẹ ṣe define níjọ́ yẹn.
Celestial ṣe rí àìfàgbàfẹ́ nìkan kò jẹ́ káyé gún ẹ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ láti 1983 tí bàbá wa ti sọ̀rọ̀ sílẹ̀ nínú ọjọ́ adalẹ́ bàbá sọ wípé ẹni tí ó jókòó sí àyè mi ó lè jẹ́ ẹni tó ṣe ìwọ́jọ́ lọ́dún 5 tàbí ọdún 6 tàbí 20 ọdún ẹ̀mí tó gbé òun bílẹ̀ wúwọ̀ ní wọnú ẹni náà a ó sì máa pè ní pásítọ̀ gbogbo àwọn tó sì já síwájú wọn máa tẹríba fún yóò sì jókòó sí àyè mi bẹ́ẹ̀ a fẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ àti sọ di tẹ̀lé ń tẹ̀lé mi ò rí ibi tí wọ́n ti sọ pé Ọ̀ṣọ́fà fi owó ẹyọ yànyàn sípò rí ti yé yín now Ezra prophet ẹ má jẹ́ kó jẹ́ tuntun sí yín ìwé kan jáde lọ́dún kan World Secret Court book ni so ó wá pé àwọn trustee ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n wá bá orúkọ bàbá wa Bàdà ń bẹ̀ wọ́n wá rí A Bàdà yẹn wọ́n kọ Alexander Abiodun Bàdà bẹ̀ wọ́n kọ̀ọ̀kan ní A Bàdà àwọn bàbá yẹn wá wò pé sí bàbá yìí náà tiẹ̀ wà nínú awo ètò yẹn wọ́n wá pé bàbá ní Kétu ẹ̀sà àwọn náà àwọn àgbaniwá kíní àbánimi nǹkan tẹ̀ ń sọ yé mi ẹ̀yin náà ní wọ́ọ̀d kíní bàbá wa kankan bàbá ṣe báyìí bí bàbá yìí ṣe lóṣèṣe dá ẹ fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá mo wà nínú kíní ọ̀dà ẹ jọ kí gbogbo ayé kó lè mọ̀ dáadáa ẹ jẹ́ ká pàdé ní Mẹ̀kọ́ màá pè yín à sọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àgbà àjọsọ inú wọn ti dùn I was there àti Mẹ̀kọ́ lọ́dún náà nígbà tí bàbá Bàdà ó yẹ kó tètè ta mi oró fún àwọn olùṣọ́àgùtàn bẹ́ẹ̀ because of that ó fẹ́ káwọn olùṣọ́àgùtàn wà ń bẹ̀ so ó wá pe gbogbo olùṣọ́àgùtàn sí burial ground Papa Ọ̀ṣọ́fà ṣé ẹ gbọ́ mi burial ground Papa Ọ̀ṣọ́fà bàbá Bàdà gbé bíbélì kan sílẹ̀ ó gún bẹ́rì yẹn gangan ó gún ó gbé bíbélì kan sílẹ̀ ó ní kan gbé kan fóun wọ́n á gbé sórí bí èmi Alexander Abiodun Bàdà ọmọ lágbájá tí mo bá ṣe awo lẹ́yìn Kristi tí Papa Ọ̀ṣọ́fà fi mọ̀ Papa Ọ̀ṣọ́fà sùn sínú Kristi ó dúró lé Kristi èmi náà dẹ̀ dúró lórí Ọ̀ṣọ́fà tó dúró lé Kristi bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mo bá ṣàwó báyìí ni kò rí fún mi báyìí ni kò rí fún mi oníkẹ́yìn òun kó má da kí ojú ayé òun kó má da bó dẹ̀ ṣe ń bọ́lẹ̀ báyìí ó nà sí bàbá Jánlékòkò he did the same thing bàbá Jánlékòkò síbẹ̀ nígbà tó máa dé level kan àwọn èèyàn ti ń fọ́nká wọn lè gbà mọ́ wọn lè gbà báyìí láti búra mọ́ ọdún yẹn ni accident ṣẹlẹ̀ tí àwọn èèyàn kú gan lọ́nà Mẹ̀kọ́ so pé wọ́n bá yàn jẹ́ yẹn ká ti gbà pé àti bá yẹn láyé so bọ́tẹ̀ ṣe connect tèmi pé àsìkò ti tó fún mi àti.
fi tọ̀wọ̀tọ̀ dárúkọ yín sà prophet Dr. MK Otibẹ̀tàn ẹ má bínú pé adédè yọjú sí torí nígbà tí a fi hàn lánàá ní alẹ́ ó dàbí àwọn wọ́n sọ pé ẹ ti fẹ́ sùn ṣùgbọ́n a ní wà urgent but ìgbà tó yá tí ẹ máa pè láàárọ̀ ẹ̀rín lẹ fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé ọmọ yín pé kí ló gbé landlord yín onítọ̀hún o pé ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá ẹ̀wà ní church mọ́ lánàá náà ìgbà tá a dé ẹni kan pé kọ́ amásà láti jẹ́rìí believe ọ̀n títí bàbá fúnra wọn wọlé wá àtẹ̀mọ́ àwọn ọlọ́tẹ̀ dé kó ló di pé ẹ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ ẹ̀ sọ fún apá àwọn lọ́ wọlé pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó sọ yìí báwo lẹ ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ìgbà tẹ́ gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí Bernard tó ń sọ yìí àti obìnrin àjòjì tá a mọ orúkọ ẹ̀ yìí tó sọ yìí pé ẹ dúró sí T-junction ẹ tún ń wọ aṣọ funfun pé ògbóni ni yín pé tún ń rúbọ pé nígbà yẹn tó ń jí màálù yín pé bàbá wa yìí ló nígbà tẹ́ fọlọ́pàá gbọ́n bàbá wa yìí ló lọ bá baálẹ̀ wa sọ pé aláwo ni tibẹ̀ tán pé kí wọ́n máa bọ̀ níjọ́ àlàmísì lóru wọ́n tún wá ka yín ní aago 12 òru kí lẹ fẹ́ fi ìsọ̀rọ̀ ìsàdádì ẹ má bínú sá.
Olotu, I'm very, very impressed. But he is still alive. I only have even tried, there is nothing I can use. Maybe a truck of Omo or sunlight that can wash this thing off me. When the incident happened, I came back from Canada, Toronto, Canada. But when I decided not to go to the police station, this shepherd sitting before me asked the police officer to call me. That he wanted to know who owns that animal, those cows. Then, for me not to be rude, he said, I am senior evangelist. We are not rushing for title like this before. That I shall die. Because the day we were commissioning this church, he was here.
Our father.
He was here.
Yes, he said it. I'm surprised. That's 25 years ago.
You see, when the police want to fight a police officer, he wanted to lose his rank. And then it's very easy for somebody to kill himself while standing. Then he invited me, I got there. He said, you bought out of the cow? He said, yes. For what? Only for harvest. Then even though they bought it on the right way or wrong way, the cow will be killed one day. But he said he used it for harvest. Then how many pieces do you believe he can eat out of the cow? I told the police officer, I will help you. Then I brought letter of invitation from London. The man picked up a visa today. The wife and the 4 children are living in London. He still phoned me to thank me for the enlightenment. That I didn't mean the cow did not lost. How would his family know me? Or how can they get visa to UK? Then I now told the police officer, please sir, release the baale, release the shepherd. Because if they didn't release the baale, we are living under him. His church is on the other side, my own is here. So we both left at the same time. And we hug ourselves. He said he will pay the money back. Either he paid back or he didn't pay back, my brother go home. So later, the whole money we collected from the cow, I gave it to Alakuko police station for them to erect a church. In that place, they were doing mosque and church. And what that woman was trying to tell us, the DPO was a Yoruba man. It's not.
But she says in Hausa that they brought an orange girl.
You know, they arranged it. They paid for this recording.
Oh, this damaging recording.
Yes, they paid for it.
She said she brought an Hausa girl.
So Eton has a problem. You see, all Nigerians that has no job abroad, this is the right time for them to come back home.
You mean this Bernard that talks like a woman?
Anybody whom the Lord has not disgraced, nobody can disgrace him. Only ìwà abanijẹ́ tí a kò bàjẹ́, ọjọ́ tó bá dẹ́kun àti bàyàn jẹ́ ló máa bà ẹ́ jẹ́ kan lè délẹ̀. And then when you look at all what is going on in the book of John 15 from verse 16, only don't panic, I'm the one that choose you. I called you, not anybody that called you. Only but if they didn't tarnish your name because of my name, you are not doing my job. Anytime we produce the harvest, the prediction book, I will send all the shepherds around here, and more or less their eyes.
Including Shepherd Obasa.
Every one of them, I will tell them, I give them one copy. And when we want to do the launching, I will call them. They will take all Celestial Shepherd, pick the book free, because they're proud of Celestial in the whole Nigeria wide world. Now they were now even telling me in that book, in their message, that it's anomaly tap messaging from everywhere. I am not Olabayo, Babangida's prophet. I'm a genuine prophet of God. I've started this job since 1970. I've lost count of the number of the same person we have treated here. But we are not treated them with water. We are not treated them with sound. Revelation 22 verse 2 is that he planted a tree in the garden that brought out what? Fruit all year for 12 calendar months for medicine. They extracted Panadol from the herbs. There was a day they gave somebody a capsule in America for high blood pressure. When I was praying for the person, I said, open that capsule. It is bitter leaf that is inside. He says, sir, it cannot be bitter leaf. We turn it open. When we break the leaf, it was leaf. It's bitter leaf. He says, sir, Lord revealed to you what is inside the capsule? I said, yes. So, if you combined ewedu with egusi, with iru, with ejagbe dry fish, and then little crayfish, you are doing concoction. You are already a herbalist. All those herbs you put together are just the same thing. But let me just tell this woman, he has not captured anybody. Yes, he has only ridiculed herself and Shoeton. And
Bernard Shoeton and his wife.
And this Bernard Shoeton looks as if he's mentally derailed. The reason why is that he advised me in one of his tapes that I should leave Celestial Church, that I should go and set up my own church because they will waste my time. Then why is he now turning around? So saying, Marcus is a narcotic person. I slapped Babalawo about 3 times in my lifetime. One in Orile Gomu, one in Ore, one in my town. Because, and they talk about fornication. You can ask my brother. Amongst the shepherd around the whole area, sir. Have anybody ever mentioned fornication in my life?
No.
Fornication?
No.
Anybody?
Yeah.
Finger me.
No, they were saying you as maybe one mugbo then in the church. They were the woman.
We are decent. How can we mugbo? Are we not? When I'm not Orlando. Is Igbo part of the message? No.
Tom was even saying that when he look at you, you already look like a cobra or a snake or something like that.
He have to satirize.
Is he frustrated?
No, because he's coming behind me. Because 1 has nothing to kick against, but 2 kick against 1. Then whatever 2 say about 1, 3 will say or many things about 2. Then 4 will say something damaging thing about number 3. But I'm number 1. That I'm number 1, I'm not ready to pull anybody down. He said I'm abusing everybody, abusing all females and everything. Look at the book, in the book of Genesis 3, from 4. Look at what women did to us. Look at the life of Solomon. Look at what's in the book of Ecclesiastes 7, Ecclesiastes 8. The last 4 verses. He said, I saw something better than that. Then what are we talking about? I'm not fabricating any word. I'm not saying something new. Then he said, Adeniro, no, Adeniro. Adeniro has 5 children. He has a trouble. He's my brother. He came in down here, and the family lived with me for 8 years. His 2 sons.
He said that it was when he saw Olugbo, she saw Olugbo in your hand.
I don't know what they call Olugbo.
That's the woman no talking to.
I don't know what they call Olugbo. My father is a member of Gospel Faith Mission. How do they tie Olugbo? Even the Omioju, no? Then with that Papa teach virtually all the shepherd. I didn't know how to prepare it. What he gave to me is what he gave to me. Talent is different. When you look at the book of Matthew, Matthew from verse 13 to 21. He said, when the boss was going, he gave them talents. He gave what he gave my brother. Both of us in this area before, we take care of mad people. A man will weary. Then by the time that will weary, even Baba Olodo, Akin, the shepherd by the river, that bridge, Olomowe Parish. I was going there one day, he wanted to behave like both me and this man. I saw him, they tied one sick woman, both left and they were caning, giving the woman food. I said, this is not how they treat a mad person. Sir, I will still direct them to come and do Thanksgiving here. Can you give me this woman? So let me go and treat the woman in my church. And he handed over the woman to me. Then after 1 month, the woman was okay. Later to know that the woman is from my village. We've lost count of all these good things. Then he said in that book, John 15, from verse 18, 19 to 24, he said, if they don't kick against you or ridicule you, you are not doing my job. You must be ridiculed. You must be persecuted. Then when you look at the book of Acts of the Apostle, Acts of the Apostle 4 from verse 10 to the end, Acts of the Apostle 5 from start reading from verse 16, he said, we could remember when traders arose. We remember when the journalism started. We remember when Soeta was with us. We remember when this woman lied. You asked me a question before. You said, is Ajanaku amongst one of the best prophets in Nigeria?
Oh, 2014.
No. Yes, I said no. Ajanaku is an occultics, and he can't defend it because he's an Egungun worshipper. And when he died, it was later we know that the name he bears in Lagos was the name of the Egungun that comes out of his family is Klein. Yes, that is Egun Ajanaku. And you see how he behaved throughout himself and Tokbe Alabi. So when you look at all these things, we are not young in Nigeria. Little time, I will be 60. This man is above 60. Then why are we now? What are we fighting for?
She even said that the man said he saw you Lorita Meta with white cloth until our Baba now denied it, that it's a lie, that he has never seen you. That even the ballet that she said our Baba took her to, the ballet, he didn't see him. After he left the position, the ballet became late. And she now said she has a recording, but the phone has been stolen by... I mean, sir, what's the meaning of that? How did you feel when she said that she met you in the T junction on a Thursday night?
How can somebody that have AC, somebody who has been traveling abroad, somebody who has been traveling abroad, travel virtual half of the whole world, kí ni mo tún fẹ́ gbẹ́ bọ̀ fún?
Lorita Meta, sir.
Kí ni mo tún fẹ́ gbé fún? Ṣé kí n lè dá? Àbí ṣé kí n lè níyàwó? Àbí kí n lè ní parish? Èèyàn á torí nǹkan ṣe nǹkan náà. Kí ni mo fẹ́ torí ẹ̀? Then báwo ni wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ enlist mi sí ẹgbẹ́ awo? Ṣé à ń kọ́ sí ìwé ni àbí à ń dúró? How can I go through that dirty route? Then when you look at the book of Psalm 121, ó lé mi yóò gbójú mi sórí òkè wọn ni. Níbo ni ọlọ́wọ́ mi yóò ti wá láti òkè? That's the man I rely on. I believe in God right from my youth age. And I'm a very sound prophet. I can't go that dirty way. Then it's now said that a lot of things I'm hiding away from my wife is a lie. The courtship between me and my wife was 1981. 1981 to 1991. Before we got married, I discharged my wife. We were in the school for 3 years, no sex. I want to be a reverend father before. I worked under the tutelage of the Catholic Mission. I was under Father Kelly, Father Colon, Father McCain. How will I now, at this age, someone who did not lie at the age of 10, at the age of 20, at the age of 30, will now be lying at the age of 40 and 60. It's not possible. There is a lady in my house there. She has lived with me now for 4.5 years. The name is Shade. The husband is coming out from America to come and take her away. The husband was a doctor. Then I asked Shade one day, I said, Shade, had it been those shepherds that has pennies, who normally wanted to take what never belongs to them? Now you are the one working here, doing everything. I could have called you one day. Maybe I'm hungry of sex. But I never remember whether I have private part or not, until when I wanted to pee. Timba veto ni kwen ma rántí pé mo lóko. Then ìyàwó mi papa ló ra pátá fún mi gbà tí a fẹ́ ra tán. Oko mi ò ń dá tẹ̀ rí rárá débi tí mi ò lẹ́rẹ̀ẹ́sàn. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tó bá okó ẹ̀ bá ṣe tó ń ṣe lójú kọ́ máa dùn wáyìwáyì. Kó tó ti bí ìdẹ́ okó àti máa lé nínú jíìsì níta mo mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. No matter the ariwo. Only I will praise you from everlasting. Everlasting to everlasting, I will praise you from everlasting to everlasting. Look at that cathedral. You interviewed me before.
Yes, sir.
The Lord said, "Go and set up the cathedral for me. Build a tabernacle for me." When you look at 1 Kings 4, 5, 6, and 7, it's there. And the numbers of days and hours and months that we're going to use to finish it, He timed me.
Sir, really, sir, rounding up, sir, because of your time, what do you have? What do you have for somebody like Beneshue and his wife that are doing this program? He has called Celestia occultic before. Then he said Celestia is Ajale Koko that that the wood that killed Bada than Beton has killed a lot of people. He's always talking and talking and talking. Now he called you Ogboni now. What do you have for this Beneshue who appears now that he has lied and is talking softly, destroying people's name?
Do you know what we are doing now between me and this my brother? Do you know this thing can fetch us a lot of money? If we should sue him for libel. You know that?
Yes, sir.
But how are we going to say we are Christian if we are coming back from court? Ideally, if we have the word. You know, I told you about Obaseki. That Obaseki will rule for 8 years. Then you people rush back to me and say, "Oh, they've removed Obaseki. Obaseki is going to..." I say, even to impeach will not be easy. Then, but even the president is still coming from Edo. That Edo people should stand firm. They should stand gidigba. That we are the owner of our soil. And they should not dance to presidency again. What is happening today again?
The NLC in Edo State are the only one that said no.
Hey, they're not working because when you lock us down, you say you are giving us palliative. Nothing comes out of your pocket. Then you share those money. Then after coming out of lockdown, you said you increase gas,
power,
petrol.
Yeah.
Then you increase NEPA, electricity tariff. Then we are waiting on when you say you wanted to tell us that there are some days we cannot go out until we die. And look at Gary, look at everything. And when you look at what Dangote is doing after the lockdown, it was too terrible, but too barbaric. Everything jumped up. So that's if they wanted to send all of us to early grave. But they have forgotten something. Psalm 49. Psalm 49.
They will never be there forever.
Oh, they will never be there forever. Then it said no, Psalm 14. Jeremiah 16. Jeremiah 17. Then when you look at the book of Job 17, Job 18. Then if Jonah can still come out of that belly of the fish, one day we'll be out of this trouble. When you look at the book of Jonah 1 verse 6, Jonah 2, Jonah 3 and 4, he said, if the fish can still drop me out to see the brightness of the day, whatever the Lord asks me to do, I will do. He never knew that the fish is taken to Nineveh. Then Hosea 8 verse 4, he said, they wanted king to rule without the notice of God. Babangida Buhari is people's choice. He showed it to the last. He lied. He is one of the worst presidents we have ever seen in the whole Africa. Africa will not have, by God's grace, we are waiting. If Corona can just come into Nigeria, Abakari left, Fontua left, by now, Nigerian Airways could have been on. Because that's what Fontua and his family want to do. But now they're all gone. We are all waiting. They can spoil me. They can spoil anybody. Even Celestia kò lè bàjẹ́. We are going to be 73 tomorrow. I won't on this phone tomorrow. We are going to start candle night tonight. We are killing 7 rams. Everybody in the street has to eat. Why we wanted to kill ram? We emulated what Abraham did in the book of Genesis 22, from verse 16 down. Then when you look at the book of Hebrew 13, Hebrew 9, Hebrew 6, Hebrew 7, then Romans, in the book of Romans 8, from verse 20, down, he said we don't know how to pray. It's the instinct in us that is making us great. Them know for sure. He said, he who he has even called to serve, he does the person. He will what? He will crown. Only and it talk below you and it talk your logo. Show it should go and look for a job. He's mentally derailed. Because when you look at the book of 2 Samuel 1 and 2, only me ni Mosato Gunwa. Only Saul utiku. Then he wanted to make name. He wanted cheap popularity. If you're getting popular, kì í ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe lọ́dọ̀ babaláwo tó bá jọ́dọ̀ babaláwo ò ní lè kárí ẹ̀ ó dàbí ẹni tó ṣe ra mọ́tò tó ló ń fẹ́ parí speedometer àlà mọ́tò mọ́lẹ̀ so bó ti ṣe rí nìyẹn. So my brother, I won't take much time of my own brother because tonight we are already on. Till tomorrow morning, till tomorrow afternoon, we'll be praying. No phone tomorrow. We are asking for another thing, that Lord, new thing that He will do. Because He promised that He's going to do a new thing. When you look at the book of Isaiah 40 from 10, Isaiah 41 from verse 10 to 17, when I will hold you by what? By your right hand. Then Hebrew 10, then He now says something again in the book of Romans 11 from verse 30. Only who has ever given to Him before? If we should slaughter this 7 ram tomorrow afternoon, everybody is eating. With the Lord of Celestia, God of Celestia, He will descend into this place. Then to see what His sons are doing. But He said in the book of Deuteronomy 30, Deuteronomy 31, verse 26, only momo gbẹ́lẹ́yìn ikú mi, ẹ̀yin yóò bà ara yín jẹ́. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣíṣe gbẹ́lẹ́ ò ṣe kí ni lẹ́ ò ṣègbé. Àní wọ̀n kọ́ táwọn ọmọ ọ̀ṣọ́fà ń ṣe, àwọn kọ́ ló pè wá síṣẹ́, àwọn kọ́ ló ràn wá ń ṣẹ́. Ìbàjẹ́ ènìyàn kò dáṣẹ́ Olúwa dúró. I am not moved. You send it to me around 12 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
You said it's urgent.
Yeah.
How can somebody be urgent? Ayé ló sọ pé a kò lè níláárí, ènìyàn ló sọ pé a kò lè rí àlera àánú mọ́, wòlíì ló sọ pé ayé wa ò lè nítumọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n kíyèsí Ọlọ́run ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ṣó ẹ̀tàn náà tó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Kò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run ò sọ nǹkan tó sọ yẹn. Ó ti gé ọjọ́ ẹ̀ kúrú, ṣe mọ̀ pé ẹni tó sá wá látọjú ogun yẹn, Dáfídì ní kan lọ ṣe bó ti ṣe ṣe. 2 Chronicles 18 from verse 18 says, only have summoned 400 prophets. Only don't go and call Micaiah. He won't say something good. Then when you look at the book of 1 Kings 13 and 14, the king said, only wòlíì yẹn dáadáa kú dá ṣe nílùú. Then only kó gbọ́ bọ̀ ọwọ́ tó gbé sókè gbẹ. Then when you look at whom they call prophet, 1 Samuel 9, 1 Samuel 8, 1 Samuel 16, and 1 Samuel, he said, when we get to the city, how do we know the house of the prophet? But the man has warned them before. Ayé ò dá o, 1 Samuel 8, when he go and tell them the character of Shoetan and the behavior of Shoetan, alárekereke ni, because he said in the book of John 8, from verse 37 to 41, only tí èṣù bàbá wọn ni wọ́n ṣe láti ìjíǹjí apààyàn ni wọ́n, so ìtàn ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ gidi, kò rí ṣe, kò rí ná, kò rí lò, ó ń sanwó council flat, ìjọba fún ọ lówó, ìjọba ọ̀dẹ̀ fún ọ lówó mọ́, bó ṣe ń bá lọ ìṣó fẹ́ jábọ́ sọ́wọ́ corona, ṣé o rí pé voice ọlọ́ọ̀kẹ́ ń bẹ̀ yẹn mọ́, then woman yẹn kẹ́ ń sọ nǹkan tójú ẹ̀ ò rí. And don't matter first one, when you look at 1 Timothy 6, 1 Timothy 4, 1 Timothy 4 from 10. Only àwọn kan ti kú nígbà tí wọ́n wà láàyè. Torí wọ́n ti fi ara wọn fún ayé jíjẹ. Láti ìgbà tí Ṣóẹ̀tàn ti lásìdẹ̀n lọ́nà Abẹ́òkúta, nígbà tó ṣe fọlọ́fọlọ́ nínú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀, orí ẹ̀ ti gbálẹ̀. Ó ní ìdí oògùn wèrè, bí ká lo oògùn wèrè fún. kì í ṣe àwọn wèrè tó ń gbá bọ́lé lọ́wọ́ káàkiri lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yẹn ni o irú àwọn wèrè àwọn ṣọpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ lẹ́yìn wà insane kò ṣe é recommend torí ó máa asínwìn yẹn á máa fò wá bí frequency ni alo ní antenna alo ní.
low antenna.
no a ní service ti dé jẹ́kẹ́sáré call bó ṣe rí bí ọpọlọ sọ ẹ̀tàn àtìyàwó ẹ̀ ṣe rí nìyẹn wọ́n máa ń fail service ṣe ti yẹ then ẹgbẹ́ ẹja máa ń tẹ̀tọ̀lé asínwín bíi tiẹ̀ ló bá sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wọ́n ní mo tún fi ìyàwó mi pamọ́ mo fẹ́ kí ìyàwó mi kó fresh títí ọjọ́ ayé ẹ̀ then tó bá dẹ̀ ti dé jọ́ ṣé ó fẹ́ fẹsẹ̀ ẹni tó lọ lóyìnbó tó ti lo 22 years ṣé ó máa sọ̀kalẹ̀ lọ́ máa bá wọn ra nǹkan lọ́jà Agége ni then bódà pé ẹni yìí obìnrin tó sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò lówó lókàn ló gbé kò yí ni bóyá wọ́n ó jẹ lótò ilé yẹn ni then kò lọ́kọ orí ẹ̀ ti yí ta ló fẹ́ rí nírú Marcus lọ́kọ tínú ẹ̀ ò ní dùn ṣe bọ́ interview ìyàwó mi.
Yes sir, 2 years ago sir.
ó gbọ́dọ̀ tó sọ ó ti interview bàbá mi ó gbọ́dọ̀ tó sọ.
Yes sir, where is.
ó ti interview àbúrò mi gbọ́dọ̀ tó sọ.
Yes sir.
I am a unique human being. I'm ready to die at any time. Mo máa ṣoore fọ́mọ ènìyàn títà yé mi máa fi parẹ́ ni. Mi ò ní gbowó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa gbọ́ pé mo kú lọ́jọ́ iwájú tí ò ní ọjọ́ mẹ́ta kò ní máa jòkó parí. You know a number of people you have brought here. Then mélòó nu wọn ló padà wá bá ẹ pé mo ní kò mówó wá. That was a day I called somebody from America. Just somebody came said the son is every night normally pee on the bed. Okay, let me sort the problem out for the person. He said I should tell the man to come with 50,000 naira. Then I said, do you remember I'm the one that taught you how to do this thing? Okay. And now I asked the man, pick up your pen. Do you know if you add chlorophenicol, salt, Lipton tea, then lime water, then alcohol. If you mix the whole together, it cures typhoid. But if you are not there when I'm doing it, you'll be thinking I'm doing something that is not biblical.
Maybe you are doing herbalist.
What is biblical? Bible himself is caution. The Bible is just caution. And if your car did not break down, do you need the caution?
No sir.
If you quote the Bible from like what my brother said, from Genesis to Revelation, and holds no water, what do you gain from it? What did you gain from it?
Nothing sir.
We were in his church yesterday. No member tó fẹ́ ṣe corona ṣe virtually corona ló jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ káfí mẹ́ni tọ́lọ̀ ń pè even doctor pápá ti ń ké doctor tó hospital lẹ̀ ti ń ké èèyàn wá mọ́ because he said in the book of Isaiah 37, Isaiah 38, from 21-22, only he said, Hezekiah, you should go to war. He said he cannot go because he has a boil. He said, okay, take one of the leaf and put it there in the morning, and the boil vanished. There is a man there that has a cloud on his back. I planted some leaf for the man, it's okay. If your eye is dirty, they say you want to do glaucoma, I know what to use to cure you. Then if you are having a bad eye, they said when you get to the church, I don't respect mercy land. Yeah. I don't believe in long prayers. He cannot hold water. How many prayers, how many days did Elijah fasted for the rain not to come down? He just helped God. Then the day the rain is coming, he told the king, the rain will come today. When you look at the book of 1 King 18, 1 King 19 and 21, and then when you look at the book of 2 King 3, from verse 10, he said there is no water for us to drink. He said go and be digging well. He says, only don't worry. When it's in the midnight, the Lord will send water. Is it by rain or dew? When it was 3 o'clock, water came from the east and not the pit of field. Is it the Bible he wanted to test me for? Is it the accuracy? Is it the message? Wọ́n ní babaláwo ẹ̀hún ṣe ìwé kan tó fi ń tàn ara ó ń dùn ní mo ń ṣe ìwé kan tó fi ń tàn yàn jẹ ó ń dùn àbí kò yẹ ń sìn kò lẹ́bùn yẹn. When you look at what they did to Joseph, had he been reported all these things in Egypt? Bí àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ ṣe ń dé Egypt wọ́n máa tì wọ́n mọ́lé And when you look at what happened in Genesis 37 from verse 18, he said, here comes the dreamer. Let us take him and what? Ó gbèdè wọn náà kò lè ṣàgídí. Ẹni tó bá lógo, tẹ́gùn bá ń fẹ́. Tó bá fẹ́ da àgbọn láàmú, pẹ̀lú ẹrù tó wà lórí ẹ̀, àtẹríba fún. Bí o bá jẹ́ pé brother mi yìí wà láyé abẹ́nítì, mi ò ní sọ kankan o. Ọlọ́run mọjọ́ tó máa pa ṣó ẹ̀tàn. Ọlọ́run mọjọ́ tó máa disgrace ṣó ẹ̀tàn. There was a day I finished spending money in London. I helped the Nigerians living in London about everywhere for about 3 months. I was to leave the place, there's no money for me to go. But the Lord God in Peckham, in Bristol, the Lord said, go and check inside the dustbin. On getting inside the dustbin, I saw a big purse. I took £400. Then the man, after some time, his man, excuse me, he gave me another £400. Then there was a day I was taking some soap to London. Then the immigration said, I will not take it out of the place because they want to know what are prepared in those plastic. Then immediately I said, then I start singing. Then the immigration they went into trance. Then before they get themselves back, they were black and multi-law. Melo la fẹ́ kà. I am the Lord has showed me to lead people aright. Mi ò múyàn ṣìnà rí. In my church, there's nobody that has 2 wives. We cherish a marriage here. In it to be 25 years and a marriage, we are not doing bad. We are not doing bad.
You are not drinking weed. You don't smoke.
Mi ò mu tírí débi tí mo ti fẹ́ mu gbó. Bóyá igbó wà ń gbúre àbí ugu omi ò lè sọ. Ó lè jẹ́ bàbá ẹ̀ ló mu igbó.
This is Benashueto.
Yes. So that is it. Tó bá fẹ́ padà sísẹ̀lẹ̀ kó máa bọ̀. Àlè. Òun fúnra ló jump out of board. He should come on board again.
Do you think he need deliverance, sir?
Practical deliverance. Practical deliverance. Go through my record. When the Lord, because he said in the book of Deuteronomy 18:18, Deuteronomy 29:29, the name was 3 from 7 to end. Only God will never do anything without revealing to the prophet.
He's trying the prophet.
A prophet. He called us friend. But and when you look at the book of Matthew 13, Matthew 16, Matthew 24, then Matthew 23, only they want to sit on a big sheet. Oh, the reverend church here da. Over Jekpo Bada. Ẹ̀yẹn ló fi kúrò ń bí. Over Jekpo Ọ̀ṣọ́fà. Over pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ní reverend. Ṣé title la fi ń ṣe ni? Mi ìkan tẹ́mi tẹ̀ ṣì ń dúró dè yín sìn. Everybody is calling themselves pastor. Mo ń retí ẹni tó máa wọṣọ lọ́jọ́ kan tó máa lọ sí UBA pé Ọlọ́run darí òun láti wá ṣe manager. Kí ló dé àti ìrírú yẹn? Kí ló fà?
There's procedure.
But because God both, there's no procedure. Ikú òjijì náà dẹ̀ ń wá. Kí ló sọ ń bí yín sí? John 17:6-10. Ó tún wá sọ nínú pé John 6:37 and then Mark 9:38-41. The best one was 1 John 2:19-20. Mo ní tó bá jẹ́ ara wa ni wọ́n bá wa dúró. Ṣùgbọ́n gbà tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe ara wa.
That's why he calls Celestia a cult.
A cult is not a cult. Oníjọ mímọ́ kò lè bàjẹ́ o. Iná Jésù kò ṣe fomi pa. Kì í ṣọgbọ́n orí la fi dá. Kápítà ni bàbá.
Àgbowó lọ́wọ́ òyìnbó rárá. Òwú bàbá ló fi ránṣẹ́. Ìjọ mímọ́ kò lè bàjẹ́ ó láéláé.
Lọ́la ń sìn wàá túbọ̀ ọjọ́ agbára náà tí ọ̀sán dòru.
Lásán ọjọ́
mímọ́ kalẹ̀. Jọ ṣé wọ́n kọrú ẹ̀ ní rìdíìmù. SOP náà lò tàbí lò láti primary yẹn. SOP náà lò. Tó bá gbé wèrè débi yìí sìn tábà wọ́n mi ìyàsímọ́ sí lára. Ó lè jẹ́ pé torí pé bá ṣàkọrin náà fi dé wá bẹ́ẹ̀. Cathedral tá ń kọ́ yẹn a gbúdọ̀ gbé nǹkan kan wúlẹ̀ síbẹ̀ o. But àwọn Pentecost à ń mú jẹ. Because a bá fi nǹkan wúlẹ̀ síbẹ̀ mo lè travel kí wòlíì kan dá lé hallelujah ẹ máa dìgì bí wọ́n ṣe wá gbé apẹ kan jáde. Ìṣòwò nǹkan tá bá ti fi sínú ilẹ̀ tilẹ̀ ní. Kílẹ̀ ó tún ní George Akinde bàbá ìṣeré wash repairer.
He said the judge Olola. He said Olola did that is the account book.
Bàbá ẹ wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn.
It's the account book that. That's the.
Ọgọ́ mélòó la account ọmọ yẹn tó wọ́n bí yé dé ní. Ọmọ yẹn nígbà tí fóònù bá rìn 300 times a day. Fóònù mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta. Èèyàn mẹ́mẹ́ àkáǹtì mélòó la fẹ́ fi ṣiṣẹ́ fún wọn. Look at that woman, Mrs. Funmilayo Ajayi. Then in Maryland, she was going for his citizenship last Wednesday. The Lord revealed after the night vigil that He should not put any makeup on his face. Ọṣẹ ìyọnu tí mo fi ránṣẹ́ fún ni kó fi pa ojú àtọwọ́ kó dress elegantly. Yes, sir. Láti gate ló ti rí honor. From my table here, the Lord normally help me to win case for people in Chicago, in America, in anywhere. Nítorí ọlá inú kan. Because he said in John 14 verse 1 to 5, wọ́n ní ẹ má ṣe jẹ́ kí ọkàn yín kí ó dàrú. Ẹ gbà mí gbọ́ ní ilé bàbá mi ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìbúlé ló wà ń bẹ̀. Ìbá má ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀, màmá ti sọ fún yín. Èmi ń lọ láti ṣe kí ni láti lọ pèsè àyè. And look at the other woman there. When you look at the book of Joshua, Joshua 10, Joshua 5, Joshua 1. In Joshua 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you don't allow the book of the Lord, Bible made this is the Korah coming up. This is the harvest coming up. We have printed about what? 1,000 envelope. Now about 500 is already in America. And everybody is happy. Then nígbà tí wọ́n bá fún wa ní màálù 20, 30. Eléyìí ká pa gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ. Ṣé àpà ni wá ni?
Honestly, on the last note, rounding up, sir, this woman that they said maybe her name is Iyabo that called in and started lying and saying all those tarnishing things about you before our father in the Lord, Baba Obasa, now said is a lie, that he has never even met her before, that he has never seen her, and he has never even seen you in a junction wearing a show for carrying a igba or doing something on the T junction. What do you wish that kind of woman saying all sort of things?
I wish her quick recovery, because it's mentally derailed. Mentally what? Mentally derailed. Because when you look at the Bible, in the book of Genesis 38, and when you look at the book of Genesis, again 29, Genesis 19, 21, 22, 23, now said, as you are leaving this place, none of you should look back. Look at the accident of women in the Bible. In the life of today, do you think any one of these, all of them are, not all of them are okay? Half of, and when you how can a woman, how can Mama Tokwe link himself to maybe Asabe TV or Maureen or this, contributing? Because there is law and order in our house. We can listen to news, we can listen to sport, but for me to kill somebody, then when the man was able to say, Marcus Buruju, the Genesis law, package, who is he? Da ló ń package, Ọlọ́run ló lè package yan ẹni tó Ọlọ́run ṣe ti rẹ́. Da ló lè kọjú jà kí là ń pè ní packaging. Ṣé ọmú mi já wálẹ̀ ni àbí mo gbé kílò tó pọ̀ sí gbáàyà tí mo dé mọ́ gbáàyà náà package? Kí náà package? Ọ̀dẹ̀. Ṣé ó fẹ́ lọ gba dọ́là lọ́wọ́ àwọn blogger àbí? Kò rí dọ́là rí. Ṣé bí mo tó fa nìyẹn? Èmi àti Obasa, we are friends, we are brothers. All the shepherd around me, I lè marry her for 30, 40 years. They give me my own respect, and I give them their respect. Then with the little the Lord gave to me, mi ò ní rude sí wọn. I've never wanted to rude to them. He asked me to come to the police station. He asked me, ó ní kàn pé tó bá jẹ́ Elisha, tó wà ẹ̀ pé wá, and I went there. We have protocol here. People won't handle those ones. Ṣé báwọn ọmọ ọjọ́ ló kó sẹ́ni inú bàbá yẹn pé kó lọ ta gbogbo màlúù pé mo kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ fi yẹn ṣe mọ́. Èmi kọ́ ni mo dẹ̀ fọlọ́pàá múyàn ẹni tó wà lódò ẹran tó ti ń wá síbi tó mọ̀ pé mo lẹ́ran ló lọ fọlọ́pàá mú wọn. He's a police officer. Then even the money I said they should give it out. Because when you look at the book of Psalm 38, 18, then Psalm 7, verse 9. Then when you look at Psalm 35, Psalm 26, then Psalm 127. Then when you look at the book of 1 Samuel 18, 19, and 20, because they want me to put my guard to retight it. Maybe I'm too much relaxed. Maybe I'm not doing the right thing now. Maybe I want to go to holiday. But this one will make me buckle up. Okay, sir. Nobody enter Elisha. His name will change. His everything he brought in here will change. Because when you look about good news, in Isaiah 63, verse 7. Psalm 38, verse 18. Jeremiah 29, 11. Then John 14, 27. Then Luke 6, 38. Then 2 Samuel 9, verse 1. Then Genesis 22, verse 18. But he said one important thing, the last thing, is Psalm 11, verse 3. He said, if the foundation is spoiled, I want to sorrow when you go and check their foundation, go and send their father. Ezekiel 16:44. Only like father, like son. Their father may be a talkative, a useless. There's some person in Celestia here. The father was from Ijebuode. The father was even dealing with the British, dealing with the local people, and this. At the end of the when they caught him, they caught one of his hands. The son is still member of Celestia till today. Nínú àmì boy, you know, fi gé ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Show it on ṣe ń lọ sẹ́wọ̀n. Lady yẹn náà ṣe máa kàgbọ́ accident orí wíṣì àló ṣe máa lò gbẹ̀yàn unless tó bá dé gate yẹn unless tó bá jẹ́ pé òtítọ́ ló sọ o ṣùgbọ́n tí yóò bá ti jọ́ òtítọ́ wọ́n ṣe ń gbé bọ̀ mí wá tọ́jú. They will still bring him here for what? For spiritual deliverance. That's it. Then that day I will now call Baba Obasa, come. Lady yẹn ti ń kà o because in my village we have 3 churches that can never be compromised. We have Ayelala Church. We have Leron Church. We have Ogungun. So if this one, if you do anything funny and nobody there, your leg will be swollen. These are the things that we want to follow. Show it and that lady as from this hour. Because he said in the book of 2 King 4, 2 King 5 and 6, he said, my son, my husband was a clergyman before. Then when he was so sick, we borrowed money. And those people who are coming now to come and what? To come and snatch away my husband, my son. He said, what do you have at home? Then when you look at the book of 2 Samuel 6, from verse 18, then Elijah was telling his disciples, those that are around both of us, they are mightier than Shoetan and his people. As we have good people in Abeokuta, he's from Abeokuta. So we have bad people. Jeremiah, Isaiah 3, 6 to 10. He said, what does he say? He said, say it to the righteous, that it shall be well. Then Proverbs, when you look at the book of Proverbs 16, 1 to 10, he said, I created evil people for evil day. I created evil people for what? For evil day. Then when you look at the book of Proverbs 18, Proverbs 20 and 23, then when you look at the book of Proverbs 4, from verse 16, he said, don't go their route, don't go their way. Evil people will never go to bed until they cause people to fall. Key number is in the book of Proverbs 3, verse 15 to 17. He said, length of days is in my right hand. Prosperity, happiness, is in the left. So we don't need to pray for long life. We don't need to pray for sickness. He said, I did not create sickness. It is the food that we eat. When you see people going Oreo Kori salad, there is nothing like Oreo Kori salad. Check yourself. Galantia 5, because they are going to put this curse on 3 of their generation. You know, somebody who stole Baba Oshofa, or somebody who used Baba Oshofa picture and destroy it. You remember in the north when somebody used the Bible to clean after toileting, he used the Bible. Then all the whole private part and everything got burnt. So my brother, the Lord will bless you. I wish that man to change straight on, to go and look for other job to do. He can go and learn plumbing. He can come to Nigeria and be selling oporoko, all these things, selling any yam they brought. He can come and do a fish pond. He can come and do piggery. They will give you. I will help him to get a loan. He should come and do this. I was a Molway driver. I was a boxer. I was a soccer player. Even I play for Guinness. I play for my school. I play long tennis. I play table tennis. Then I was a taxi driver in Germany. Then I was selling plantain in the Kosi market. But as I'm going, I'm coming. Then my wife with pregnancy is making the popcorn. I'm hawking it in Lagos. How can I pull somebody down? Then because the two of them are now PhD. What's the meaning of PhD? Pull him down. He can't pull us down. He cannot attack us. The Lord will bless you. God bless you, sir. Yeah, I'm Prophet Marcus, the shepherd of CCC Elisha Parish. So thank you for having me today. Then that is my brother there. And we will be together till death do us part. I don't have anybody to harm. Because when you go to bed all the time, it's just a junior sister or junior brother to death. Then let your hand be clean.
I'm a shepherd of CCC, El Shaddai Parish, Abule Roko. Prophet S.S. Obasa should be my name.